Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to remove duplicate photos on your iPhone 17 Air. Over time, duplicate photos can pile up on your iPhone 17 Air, which actually takes up valuable storage. Lucky for you, you can easily find them and remove those duplicates from your iPhone 17 Air. So go to Photos application, and at the bottom side of the screen you want to go to your collections, and now scroll until you reach Utilities section and go to Duplicates. So here you will see all your duplicates, and first of all, if you want to delete all duplicates at once, you have to tap Select button in the top right corner of your screen and tap Select All button in the top left, which will select every duplicate, each duplicate, and you want to either tap this trash bin icon to delete them, or you can merge them by tapping this button. Also, you can deselect them in pairs like this, and vice versa, you can select them in pairs. Yes, and also you can merge them in pairs. Simply tap Merge button next to the duplicate and confirm by tapping Merge Duplicates. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.